guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's another day here in, well, this is our first full day here in Italy. So right now, last night, so we arrived in Naples. So we arrived at the airport like around 7 p.m. And then it took us about 30-45 minutes to get to our accommodation here in central Naples. So right now, we're just exploring a little bit of the area to see where the train station is at. So the train station is at from where we're staying. It's just about a 5-10 minute walk. So we just had breakfast and so we're just exploring around and see what's up here in Naples. We're not gonna actually stay here in Naples. We're gonna head out to another town, East Italy. So our train leaves like around 9 a.m. So now we're just exploring the area right here. So this is how Naples look like. We are in the center of Naples. So if you guys are curious how the city of Naples looks like, this is how it looks like over here. So Naples, Italy is a metropolitan area. It's like there's a lot of people who lives here. It's not really like a touristy town. We just arrived here because there's a main train station here that will lead us to our next destination. But we're not really gonna stay around here. We're just really in transit. And the train station is just right around the corner right there. Here's the rest of the family. And this is Naples. So we are staying on the main street closest to the train station. So there are pigeons. There's another street right here. So we still left our luggage in our accommodation. We're gonna go back for our luggages. We're just gonna see how do we get to the train station. I don't know what this is. I think this is a grocery or a supermarket. This is the Garibaldi Plaza. It's like a square in front of the main train station. Stazione di Napoli Centrale. This is the train station. So, yeah, I think, so now we know where the train station is at. So we know our train won't leave like until 9. So we still have time. So now guys, we're gonna explore this street here next to the train station. It's a cute street where there's like a lot of cafes, a lot of small restaurants. So they're still closed right now because it's early. It's like, what time is it? 7 a.m. So they're still closed. So we're just gonna explore this area. So yeah, there's this hotel right here. It's right in front of the train station, Napoli Central train station. And then on this side right here, there's this small street next to the plaza where there's like a lot of cafes. There's like pastry shops, bakeries. So yeah guys, so that's just to give you a quick glimpse of how Naples city center looks like. So now we're heading back to our accommodation to pick up our luggages. So Naples, like what I said earlier, it's not a touristy part of Italy. I didn't see a lot of tourists at the airport. It was mainly local people. So now guys, the plan for today is we're gonna go for like a 5-hour train ride going to Foggia. Foggia is another city in the eastern part of Italy, in southern Italy. So we're gonna be visiting a church, a famous church there, a church dedicated to Padre Pio. I'm not sure guys if you are familiar with Padre Pio. I'm gonna explain more of that later. But yeah, we're gonna go there. It's about a 5-hour train ride. Hey guys, so now we are inside the Napoli Central train station. So we're just waiting for our train. We still have like about an hour left before we start boarding. So we just had a quick breakfast at McDonald's. Let me show you guys around here. So inside the train station, there's a lot of shops. This is the platforms where the trains depart. And let's check out which platform do we go to board our train. So right now, when we first arrived here about an hour ago, there weren't a lot of people, but now it's full. See, this is the main entrance of the train station. See, there's a lot of people now. And this is the board where you see the departures. Okay, so guys, our train number changed. So we asked some assistance at the counter and they gave us a new train number. So our train departs 5 minutes earlier than the usual. So we leave like around 8:55. We don't have a platform yet because it's too early. So now whenever you guys go to Europe, this is how the train station looks like here in Naples, Italy. Yeah, it's a busy train station. So guys, there's like a bakery here in the train station where there's like a line. Maybe it's good, that's why there's like a long line. Chalet Cro? No, Chalet Zero. Okay guys, so now we got our platform where we're gonna depart from the train station. We're going at platform number 5, going to Caserta, right here. These are the different platforms. So you go inside the main entrance where the platforms are from the train station, and then you go to your platform. Okay guys, so we just boarded our train. This is how it looks like over here. So we're about to depart now. The train is moving towards Caserta. So we'll see you guys there at Caserta. So we are on our second train now, going to our final destination. Our final destination for today is a city called Foggia. So this is our second leg of the journey. towards that city. So there's a section where you can put your luggages right here. The train is pretty wide, so we have reserved seating in this train. So it's not as difficult as the first train where there's no reserved seating, and then we have to hold our luggage during the duration of the trip. So right now we're settled. We're just gonna wait, chill, and then wait till we get to our final station. Hi Rosie, are you okay? Are you having fun with your train ride here in Italy? Wow, what's the flavor? Strawberry. Okay guys, so I'll check with you guys later.
Give me the camera first. Today we're going to do. Today we're going to the hotel. So we leaving the old ones. So and we're going to new one. Now can you stop? Stop. Maggie, you have to stop. No, stop. Okay, whatever. So now we go to another hotel. So we in the train. So.
Okay guys, we are now here in Foggia, here in the southern part of Italy. So here's a first glimpse of Foggia. It's pretty hot right now. So Foggia is a city in southern Italy where it's like mainly agricultural, like the stuff that they do here in this part of Italy is mainly agricultural. So they do have a lot of wheat fields, a lot of olive groves, things like that. So it is also known as the granary of Italy. So this town is not as touristy as the other famous cities in Italy, but they do have a share of other significant historical sites here. So this town is pretty nice compared to Naples, where we came from. So they have like wide streets here with pedestrian walkways on either side. It's lined with trees. They have historical buildings, seems like over here, with a bunch of cafes. That's the main station where we came from. This is a church called Santa Maria della Croce, or Croce. We're gonna cross. It's Sunday today, by the way, guys, so that's why probably there's not a lot of people here. There's a kebab place here. So our hotel is just right over there in the corner. This city is well managed. Like you can just say by the streets, the walkways, it's very clean, it's built up. Because Naples is the feel is quite industrial over there. Okay guys, so we just entered our accommodation here in Foggia. So let me show you, this is the main entrance. This is heading towards the stairs going outside the building. And this is the main door of our accommodation. This B&B has a lot of character. See right here, this is the main entrance. And the ceilings are very high, so the apartment itself is very airy. On the right is bedroom number 1. So we have a king-size bed and another twin bed here. We have TV, we have a wardrobe, a full full mirror desk. And then this is our bathroom. See, it's quite modern. We have a bidet, toilet, shower area, sink. And then over here, this is the main, I don't know if this is a kitchen area, but it's like more of like a dining area. We don't have a sink, but we have a fridge, some storage cabinets for glasses, cutleries. And then we have another station here. And then this is bedroom number 2. Another king size bed, wardrobe, a desk area. And then this is the second bedroom. Also tall ceilings. Yeah, this is quite modern. On the outside, the building is quite historic, but the inside it's very modern. So we have AC on both rooms. And then the view over here, we're in the center of Foggia, right here. So that's a quick tour, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, give it a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you guys. Bye.